In this video, we're going to show you how to transfer context between Claude Code sessions without losing important information. When working with Claude Code on large or long-term projects, it's common to eventually reach a point where a session becomes too large, too slow, or too close to context limits. At that stage, starting a new session is often necessary. The challenge is that if you simply start over, you risk losing important details such as design decisions, debugging history, file structure understanding, and ongoing task context. This is where proper context transfer becomes essential. Instead of carrying everything forward, you selectively compress and move only the most important information into a new session. The good news is that this process is simple once you understand what to preserve and how to structure it. By the end of this video, you'll know how to move from one Claude Code session to another while keeping your workflow completely intact. So let's get started. The first method is to create a structured session summary before switching sessions. At the end of your current session, ask Claude to summarize your progress in a compact format. This summary should include key decisions, current state of the project, unresolved issues, and next steps. Avoid copying full conversations or large logs. The goal is to compress knowledge, not duplicate it. Next, store this summary externally before starting a new session. You can use a local Markdown file, a Notes app, or a project documentation folder. This ensures that your context is preserved independently of Claude Code. Once you start a new session, the next step is to reintroduce the context efficiently. Instead of pasting everything at once, begin your new session by providing the structured summary only. This gives Claude a clear understanding of the project without overwhelming the context window. If necessary, you can gradually reintroduce additional details based on the task at hand. Another useful technique is to maintain a standardized context template. For example, you can always structure your session transfer like this: current goal, completed work, active issues, and next action items. Using a consistent format helps Claude quickly understand new sessions and reduces confusion. In most situations, this structured transfer approach is enough to maintain continuity across sessions without losing clarity or direction. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, create a concise summary of your session before switching. Second, store that summary externally so it can be reused. And third, start the new session with a structured context summary instead of full history. Remember that transferring context is not about copying everything. It's about preserving only what is necessary for continued progress. A well-structured summary allows you to maintain continuity while keeping sessions clean and efficient. It also improves performance by reducing unnecessary context load in new sessions. With a consistent transfer workflow, you can work on large projects across multiple sessions without losing clarity or direction. And that's how to transfer context between Claude Code sessions without losing important information. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Claude and other AI tools. Your support helps us create more tutorials, productivity guides, and practical AI workflows to help you get better results from your projects. If there's another Claude Code feature or workflow you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.